What's up, guys? Hey, I am trying to get your scans to be better. So here it is. So what I've done was on the counter, what I've done is lay down a black t-shirt. Well, this looks like gray on the camera, but it is actually a black t-shirt. All right, and it's a pretty old t-shirt. It's one of my old Apple t-shirts. All right, to help me with my scanning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my CamScanner, okay? And I want to do a little tutorial about the CamScanner. So here it is. Here's a CamScanner. So a couple of things I want you to hit here. Number one, if you notice on the bottom, there is a single and there's a batch. The batch just means multiple pages until you're done. Over on the top right has a settings, which looks like a gear. If you hit that, that absolutely does nothing. Okay. So that doesn't help you whatsoever. Let me see what, so when I X out of the camera, because it starts right off with the camera. All right, so something to think about is hit me. So when you hit me, let me see, what did I do? If I hit scan, I said start with camera, the radar is on, and the quality size, I just hit large. So I left it as that, so that gives me a better quality. The batch setting, it says always crop it, adjust the picture after taking each time, and magic color. And then, I hit scan, display, and PDF. Nothing really, just PDF with notes. Let me see. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, here's me. Let me see. More settings. Export. Doc export. Ooh. So after this, I could email it to myself. So let's see what happens there at fsw.edu. Okay. So I entered my email there. You could keep that signature. It's not a big deal. I have the basic account, so it's an unpaid version. It's a free version, I should call it. Let me see. Was it under display? Oh, PDF size. Has all the different sizes here, okay? So you guys can leave it. The problem is that you can pick and delete them if you want to, but I really don't know what the sizes really are. You're certainly welcome to look it up. I almost want to delete everything and just leave the letter there. If I had the choice, I would probably just say, okay, hit this, delete. You know what? Let's try it. Delete, 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 and delete. So all I have is letter left. Okay. So why not? Let's try that. Might as well. Okay. Well, let's start scanning. So I'm going to start scanning my lab work 2 here. Okay, so here it is. It's under batch because I have multiple pages, right? So I'm going to take the first one, put on my black t-shirt here, nice and flat. And what I'm going to do is try to keep my, because if you come too much over it, right, you see my shadow over it. So I kind of walk away from it so the light can actually shine through. I'm going to take the picture. It's going to show me that box, right? Because all crop is on. The boxing looks pretty good. I could just adjust this just a tad if I wanted to, right? And then I can hit continue. And then that one's done. I go to the second page, bring that second page in, do the same thing, get out of there, boom. Not bad, I'll continue. I'll look at it after. But I do see the green box and I kind of like it. More light to it, and boom. The text is just fine. Continue. Adjust the trimming, use, yep. So it's telling you to use that cropping tool, which is what that is a universal symbol for cropping, is the same thing as sharing icon is a universal sign. So I'm going to hit OK. So now I'm going to come over here, get my finger out of there, hit it. Apparently it's just going to jump right in. Okay, so I'm done. So I'm going to hit this bottom arrow here where it shows like a little thumbnail, right? In the 4. So I'm going to hit that. I know it's 4 pages. So it's going, okay. So here it is. Not bad. It looks pretty good, right? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Now, here's the cool part is that if I accidentally hit that and I go, oh, I got another page, I can hit just add and I can add it again. And then there is also a replace button, which is kind of cool. But it does everything in color. So now everything is kind of letter sized. So I'm going to hit this check mark here. And there it is. Let me see if there we go. So if I hit the file again, now I can kind of zoom in and make sure that the scan went pretty well. Nothing is faded out too bad, right? This looks like it's very elongated. So weird, right? It went from looks normal to whoa to it's normal to whoa, right? I got 4 pages and that's on the bottom there. Awesome. Let me see if there's more. PC, edit PDF. I don't know if those cost money, so don't try to start clicking away and see what happens. All right. Now here I can go ahead. Actually, before I do that, I can hit where this says CamScanner on the very top, 01/16/2021. If I hit that, okay. If I hit that, okay, I don't want to hit that. Let's see more. Nope, not more. Oh, if I hit no, not share. Edit. Now I can hit that. There we go. Now I can hit the CamScanner when I hit edit. So I can say this is 1033 lab work 2. Okay. And maybe Chan, right? So this way I have it and whoever I share it with knows it's from me. Okay. Now I can hit share and I can hit share the file. I'll hit my Outlook and there it is. I'm just going to hit it to jchan2@fsw.edu and say bye-bye. Oops. Is it going to send anyways? Yep, it just sent it. Okay. So there it goes. I wonder if it's shared with me twice or not, however. Let me check because it was supposed to automatically send, right? So let's take a look. It did not. It only sent it to me once. So it did share, however. So at least I got that done. If I hit email. Okay, so that's about it. So that's CamScanner. The problem is that like if you hit edit PDF, not edit PDF, I go back. Like if I hit PDF tools here, right? There are some features that actually cost money. So you do have to be careful of what you do here. All right. So please, like for example, if you hit this king hat here, it's going to be like, hey, you want to go to be a gold? This is how much it costs. For premium, this is how much it costs. So please be careful with that. All right. I just X those out. So as you're going, please be very careful. But anyways, that is, the other part that I want to put out is that all of these scans here are from my first draft. Okay, so this is my first draft of every single one of these problems. Okay, so I think that your second draft should look better than my first draft, I would think, right? So I know there is a difference between being a professor and being a student. Okay, so I do understand that part, but I do want you to understand too that I would assume that your second draft would be better than mine. So if there's any questions, please let me know. But other than that, that's how you would use a CamScanner. Good luck. See ya.